So anyway, we got a line guy standing out here waiting on us. So we'll get the first engine going here. He's waiting on us, wondering what the heck we're doing, probably. So we got our brake set. These are our engine instruments. I'm going to start the left engine first. You can see over here, ITT is temperature. You're going to see that fire right up. Right now you can see the fuel temperature is -6 degrees Celsius. The oil temperature is 7. There's no oil pressure. It's actually showing 3. There's no fuel flow. FF is fuel flow, and N2 is our inner turbine speed. And this green one is our outer turbine. That's the big fan you can see just staring at the engine. But we're going to start the left engine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look out the window and see it's clear. I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to hit the left starter button. This airplane uses battery to turn the inner turbine. You're going to see the N2 start to spin up. And once it gets so fast, about 10%, we use a percentage for everything. Once it gets about 10%, I'm going to move the thrust lever forward and introduce fuel into the system, and it'll start the chain reaction of the engine starting. So it's a little more complex than starting a car, but still relatively easy. It's still easier than starting a standard reciprocating engine, like a little prop job Cessna or something. All right, so here we go. I'm going to hit the starter button. Starter's energized. See the N2 spinning up. I just introduced fuel by bringing the lever forward. There's light off. Temperature's coming up. It just went to over 800 degrees Celsius in a matter of seconds. So these engine parts go through a lot of stress. All right, stabilizing. We got N1. The oil temperature will start coming up. We got good oil pressure. The fuel flow shot up. All right, so there's engine 1. We'll go ahead and do engine 2. All right, we got N2 rotation. Bringing the thrust lever out of cutoff. That introduced fuel flow. There's the light off. There goes the ITT up. Oil pressure's coming up. There we go. We got 2 good engines running. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the generators online, which will make the airplane run on its own power instead of that generator power cart back there. See the amp draw coming up on the left generator. Right generator. All right, they're sharing a load. Get some bleed air going. All right, I'm going to set the camera down, clean some stuff up, and we'll get right back to you.